Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to stake Theta token. In order to do this, you will have to launch your web browser in your PC, and in the search bar, you will have to search for tatoken.org. Once done, you will be landed on the official website of Theta, where in the top you are going to see a bunch of different options. Now among these options, you will have to click on the wallet option, and here it will show you the supported wallet of platforms. So you will have to click on web wallet, and then you will be redirect on Theta wallet. So if you already have a Theta wallet, then you can just log in into your account by providing the key store or mnemonics, privacy key, or hardware. But if you haven't already created your account on Theta, then you will have to click on create wallet option in the bottom, and after that you just have to start creating your password. After that, you need to check this box and press download key store. Once done, a file will be start downloading in your device. Now over here you will have to press continue, and then you are going to see the mnemonic phrase. So you just have to copy it and paste it at a very safe place, because you will need it in order to log in into your Theta wallet afterwards. Then you need to press continue, and after that you need to click on unlock wallet. Then you will have to click on the option of mnemonics, and you will have to provide those 12 mnemonics that we have just copied. After that, you will have to enter the temporary session password. Then you need to click on unlock wallet. Once you have done that, you will be redirect on your wallet, where you are going to see various options unlocked, such as send, swap, stake, etc. So as we want to stake our Theta coin, you will have to click on the stakes option in the top. But before that, you need to make sure that you have enough Theta token in your account. If you don't have it, then you can click on this receive button, and after copying this address, you can get Theta token in your Theta wallet. Then you need to click on this stakes option in the top, and after that you need to click on the option of deposit stake. Then this type of pop-up will open in front of you, where you will have to select it as guardian node in the stake type. Then it will ask you to select the guardian node, so you will have to click on this option, and after that you will have to select the guardian node. Then you will have to enter the amount of Theta that you want to stake, and then you need to press next. Once you do this, the deposit image will look something like this. So you will have to click on the deposit stake option, and this way you will be able to easily stake your Theta token. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.